so amazing. It feels as if he's staring right at me. This is a silverback gorilla, meaning he's a sexually mature male. And what's interesting about the way they behave is that more than one sexually mature male will hang out, will move around with a family unit at a time. So in this group, there's this silverback and another silverback. There's a sexually mature female, and then there are baby gorillas moving around with them as well. Bless you. Amazing.